fine. Today our book is 6 New Countdown second edition, and our exercises our exercise is 4A and question number is 5. We can do question number 5's part number 1 and 2 in our previous video. We can do part number 1 and 2 in our previous video. So today we can do part number 3 and 4. So let's start it. Now our exercises question number 5 is find HCF. I cannot write all questions. Its part number 3 is 399, 665 and 1463. Now we have to solve it. In previous video we can use a division method. In division method there are only two numbers, but in this method we have 3 numbers. But you don't have to be confused because this is so easy. We can place 1000, the last digit value 1463 in bracket and 665 out of the bracket. Now 665 is multiplied with 2. The answer is 1330. If we can subtract it, the answer is 133. Now we can place 665 in bracket. Now we can solve it. The 133 is multiplied with 5, so the answer is 665. So this is solved. Now as that we can solve these two values, we have to solve this value with this. We can take a 2. We can take 2 numbers division. So next division is that we don't have to take this division, we have to take the other. How can we take it? 399 comes in a bracket and the second answer, which is 133, comes out of the bracket. 133 3s are 399, so the answer is 0 or a cross. Now move towards its part number 4. We can do it here because these questions are such tricky or a long, so we have to utilize over full page. 427, 1159, 1281 and 3416. Now we have to solve it. How we have to solve it? First of all, as we can take the value, first two values, as we can take first these two values, so here we can take these two. 3 4, as this value comes in a bracket, so this value is 3416 comes in a bracket and 1281 out of the bracket. As this value is multiplied with 2, the answer is 2562. Okay, if we can subtract these, the answer is changed. So the answer is 4. Here 6 is not subtracted from 1, so we can take 1 LCM, so 1 is carry, so it is 11. 6 7 8 9 10 11. The answer is 5. Here remains 3, it gives carry, so it is changed into 13. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So the answer is 8. Now again we have to write 1281 in bracket and 854 out of the bracket. As if we can multiply 854 with 2, the answer is bigger than this value, so 854 ones are 1281. Oh sorry, 800. Sorry. The answer is 854 ones are 854. Now if we can subtract the answer is 1 is not subtracted, 4 is not subtracted from 1, so it can get a carry, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 7. Here remains 7. So 5, 6, 7. Remainder is 2. Here remains 1, 1 and 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 12 because 8 carries. So the remainder is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The remainder is 4. Now we have to multiply 427 with 2 because 854 comes in a bracket. 427 2s are 854. Okay, this is end of this question. As the ending outside number of this bracket is 427, so we have to combine these two numbers to solve next question. Because this doesn't end because these have different values. So 427 comes out of the bracket and 1159 comes in a bracket. 427 2s are 854. So the remainder is 503. Now 427 comes in a bracket. 305 1s are 305. If we can subtract it, 5, 6, 7, 2 remains here and 1. 305. If we can multiply 305 120, so the answer is 122. 122 2s are 244. Now we have to subtract it. The answer is 1. It gives carry. It changes into a 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the remainder is 61. Now 122 comes in a bracket. 61 2s are 122. It is end. Now over this value is remains. We have to solve it. I can solve this value right here. 427. As 1159 comes in a bracket, so 427 also comes in a bracket. Okay, and the last one answer is, which is, so the last answer which we have multiplied is 61. So we can put 61 out of the bracket. 61 7s are 427. Also this question is solved. Okay, I hope that you can understand it. The last answer is 61. So must keep practicing these questions. These are some tricky questions, but I hope you can understand it. If you have find any difficulty, then tell me. I can teach you again and again, but you must have to keep them practicing. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.